talking about second derivatives or second order derivatives. So for exam point of view, so there is strictly one question is there. So for second 3 or 5 marks question. So reserved for this second order derivatives. Yes. So this one is very simple. If you know the first derivative, so then with respect to that, so it is easily, so in the same manner we are going to find the second derivative. So if you know the first order derivative, so directly differentiate the answer. So that is the obtained first derivative, the answer of the first derivative, if we differentiate that once again, so directly we will come to the second derivative. So therefore, so let us consider function y equal to f of x is the function. If we differentiate this one, differentiate with respect to x, we know that, so dy upon dx equal to f dash x. Derivative with respect to x, this is first derivative or first order derivatives. So therefore fx, derivative of fx is f dash x. If we differentiate this once again, so differentiating again with respect to x, differentiating this with respect to x, then dy dx of dy upon dx, derivative of dy by dx, this equal to dy dx of f dash x. So derivative of the derivative, then derivative of this f dash x. So therefore this implies, so derivative of this one is given by d square y by dx square, d square y by dx square. So you should not write d square x square here. So it is a practice that, so dx upon dx, you should not multiply this dx into dx, not like that. So d square y by dx square. So that is second derivative, derivative of dy by dx, first derivative of first derivative. So derivative of first derivative, so that is second derivative. So this equal to, if we differentiate this one, so symbolically we can represent this as f double dash x, f dash x, f double dash x. So this is the second order derivative of the given function. Second derivative means second order, first derivative means first order. If we differentiate like this, third order, fourth order, if we differentiate this once again, then we will get third order, that is dqy by dxq. So therefore differentiating again with respect to x, we get dqy upon dxq, this equal to f triple dash x. Third derivative, third order, second order, first order. So if we differentiate n times, so therefore this becomes, so differentiating n times, this becomes d raised to n y by dx raised to n. So this is equal to f dash or f of n x. So that is fn. So therefore nth derivative of the function, d n y by dx raised to n. First order df dash x dy by dx, second order d square y by dx square, f double dash x, third order dq y by dx cube, f triple dash x. In the same manner, if we differentiate this function, so simply continuously we are finding the derivatives here. Yes, and so the second derivative is also denoted by y double dash or y2. Second order y2 or y double dash. So this one y dash or y1 first order, y double dash or y2 second order. So therefore similarly y raised to n or yn nth order. So therefore in this way we will find the derivative of derivatives. So therefore this is in your present context only we are restricted to second order or second derivative of the function. Now let us solve some problems of second derivatives. Consider the function y equal to x square. Y equal to x square. So first find the first derivative or differentiate with respect to x. Therefore derivative of y is dy upon dx. This equal to dy dx of x square. That is dy upon dx equal to derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of x square is 2x. Now to find second order we have to differentiate once again. So therefore differentiate again with respect to x, that is so dy by dx, dy dx of dy upon dx equal to dy dx of 2x. Though this step is not necessary, for convenience I am writing here to dy dx of dy by dx. So this is equal to derivative of derivative. So we write this as d square y by dx square. This equal to derivative of 2x is 2. Therefore second derivative of or second order derivative of x square is equal to 2. So this is the simple procedure. The same problems will come across these across the while solving the problems. So just take derivative of derivative will give the second derivative of the function. Yes. So consider one more simple example. Y equal to sin x. You know differentiate with respect to x dy by dx. Directly I am writing here dy by dx. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Now differentiate again with respect to x. Therefore directly I will write second derivative as d square y by dx square equal to derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x, or y2 equal to minus sin x, or y double dash equal to minus sin x. So even you can substitute the sin x equal to y, y2 equal to y double dash equal to minus 1, y2 equal to minus 1, or d square y by dx square equal to minus y. In that way you will substitute the given relations. Yes. Now exercise of 5.7. So that is find the derivative of the following. First one is y equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. So this is simple problem. So just for understanding purpose solve these problems. So these are not important for exam, but still then you have to practice these to understand the concept of second derivatives. Yes. Differentiate with respect to x dy upon dx equal to dy dx of x square plus 3x plus 2. So this equal to derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of 3x is 3, derivative of 2 is derivative of constant 0. This equal to 2x plus 3. So this is dy upon dx. Now to find second derivative we have to differentiate once again. Differentiating with respect to x, therefore derivative of dy by dx is d square y by dx square, or you may write y2 or y double dash, this equal to, so again dy dx of 2x plus 3, this equal to derivative of 2x is 2, derivative of 3 here constant, therefore this equal to 0, therefore this equal to 2. So derivative of d square or derivative of derivative equal to 2, or second derivative of this function is equal to 2. So it is also simple question. Find the second derivative of y equal to x raised to 20. So it is y equal to x raised to n, dy by dx equal to n dx raised to n minus 1. Therefore differentiate with respect to x, dy upon dx equal to d by dx of x raised to 20, derivative of x raised to n, nx raised to n minus 1. So therefore dy upon dx equal to 20 x raised to 19. So 1 less than this, 20 x raised to 19. Now to find second derivative, differentiate again. Differentiate again with respect to x. So again here x raised to 19 is the same formula is there. So therefore this equal to d square y by dx square equal to 20, this into x raised to n, x raised to n minus 1, 19 x raised to 18. So this equal to 19 to the 38, 318 x raised to 18. So this is the second derivative of x raised to 20. Consider y equal to x cos x, product. So product rule, differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx or y1 or y dash, dy by dx either y1 or y dash. So this equal to dy dx of x into cos x, fx into gx. Apply product rule. So this step is necessary. X dy dx of cos x plus cos x dy dx, cos x dy dx of x, this equal to x derivative of cos is minus sin x plus cos x derivative of x is 1. Therefore minus x sin x plus cos x, minus x sin x plus cos x. So this one is the dy by dx or y1 or y dash. Now differentiate again, differentiate with respect to x or differentiate again. Therefore this becomes dy by dx, d square y by dx square equal to dy dx of minus x sin x plus dy dx of cos x. So fx plus gx, sum of two functions. So here it is a product, here again it is a product. So therefore apply product rule and directly here find the derivative of cos x. So this equal to minus into bracket x dy dx of sin x plus sin x dy dx of x. So this minus is for this expression only, plus dy dx of cos x, dy dx of cos x. So or you may, so for convenience I have written this step. So now take the derivatives. Minus into bracket x, derivative of sin x is cos x plus sin x, derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of cos x is minus sin x. This equal to minus x cos x plus minus sin x minus sin x. This equal to minus x cos x minus 2 sin x minus a minus 2a minus 2 sin x.